Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials. Invite Assyst with bot and application command scopes, and pick a dedicated channel for commands. Once invited, assign Assyst a role above the roles it will manage so it can assign or remove roles. Make sure the channel allows messages and /commands. Now, open the chosen text channel and type a simple / to verify Assyst registers commands. This first check confirms connectivity and permissions, so you can move into configuration. You now configure the bot using its /setup or /config flow. Follow each prompt to map welcome messages, auto role assignment, moderation tools, and ticketing. Once you enable a feature, assign channels and specify templates for messages so auto messages are coherent. Make sure logging is set to a private mod channel and set the command prefix if needed. After saving, run the sandbox or test commands to exercise each enabled feature so you can spot misconfiguration. You finish by testing every user path. Have a teammate join to verify welcome and auto role, open and resolve a ticket, and trigger moderation commands. Once satisfied, document the main commands and permission settings for your moderators so everyone knows how to use Assyst. If something goes wrong, first recheck role order and channel permission overrides, then ensure privileged gateway intents and /command registration are enabled. Consult audit logs to trace denied actions and correct the specific permission or hierarchy issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.